By working together in a partner ecosystem with Oden Technologies, AssetWatch, and MaintainX, our customer Inc. has found and unlocked a new pocket of value. They've shared that they are now have created the ability to retain younger talent. The replacing generation that is coming behind a lot of retirees from their maintenance teams are now wanting to stick around after they're done their apprenticeships or their internships because of these integrated state-of-the-art tech stacks that we provide to them through these partner ecosystems. So their retention rates has gone up from 25% to 30% to now nearing 70 to 80% retention for young talent. So it's a really great human value story that we've been able to provide through our partner ecosystem directly to a customer that has already made it full circle back to us.